Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. Today I'm here with some new makeup products. These are from Auric Beauty, which is an Indian brand that offers some high quality cosmetics products. Today I am going to do a full face makeup look using these products, and I will tell you about each and every products that I am going to use. So let's get started. I am starting my makeup by hydrating my skin, and I am applying Oriana Skincare Rewind Anti-Aging Day Cream. Oriana is a sister brand to Auric Beauty that does skincare. The brand claims that it has a combination of ingredients that reduces wrinkles and fine lines. It has some really good ingredients like oat lipid oil, which is a rich natural oat oil with a unique lipid profile. I love the beautiful jar that looks luxurious. See the texture, slightly thick once you take it out, but gets rapidly absorbed into the skin, leaving it soft and supple without any greasy feel. My skin loves this cream, and I highly recommend it to all. To make the makeup long lasting, you need the right primer. I am going to apply Auric Beauty Healthy Glow Makeup Base. I love the silky texture of this primer. It's so lightweight and provides instant radiance to the skin. It gets absorbed into the skin quickly and smooths the complexion. It provides an instant glow to my face before applying the foundation. Time to apply the foundation, and I will use Auric Beauty Cover Matte Foundation. It's a matte foundation that is oil free and controls the shine, which is great in summer. It has vitamin E and UVA UVB filter. The shade I am using is Cool Sand, which is quite close to my skin tone. It glides well and has a medium coverage which is buildable. The next product is Auric Beauty Intensive Kajal in shade Earthy Brown, which I will use to define my brows. It's a transfer proof intensive kajal. I love the shade brown. Look at the shade and the texture. It's so pigmented and glides really smoothly. I will fill the gaps lightly and then comb with the brush. For concealer, I am going to use the Pixi Pat Away Concealing Base that I got recently. I have really enjoyed the light but creamy formulation of this product. With the large uniquely sized doe foot wand sponge applicator, this concealer applies with ease. The shade I am using is number 2 Nude. Now it's time to try the most exciting product from Auric Beauty, the Contour Defining Kit. This multi-purpose kit comes with 4 shades housed in a sleek, strong cardboard kit which is very lightweight. All the details about the product are clearly mentioned in the packaging. The shades are Earthy Contour, Powder Matte, Mystic Rose Blush and Shimmer Dust Highlighter. The shade pans are quite generous in their size. I think a mirror would have been a perfect addition to making this kit travel friendly. I am really excited to see how it will perform. So first of all, I will use the shade Mystic Rose as an eyeshadow because I want to make full use of this kit. This shade is so pretty with a really smooth texture. I'm applying it above the crease. I love how it glides on my eyes. Now I will blend it with my new blending brush from Plume. I really need new brushes, so I thought I should give this brand a try. Love the soft bristles. It is blending my shadow very nicely. I love how the shade worked as a shadow and blended effortlessly. I am applying a thin line on my lash line with the brown kajal. You can see how smoothly it is working as a liner. I love this kajal and brown is my favorite color for the eyes. Okay, I am blending the line with brown shadow and I am using the earthy contour shade for this. I also apply it below the Mystic Rose. Now using the concealer to cut my creases. This concealer is working well on my lids. On my lids, I will apply the shade Shimmer Dust, a lovely champagne gold shade, so pretty and intense. Look at it, how beautifully it is blending with my finger. Extremely smooth and silky texture. I will define the crease with the brown kajal. Just a fade thin line and then blend it with the brown shadow. I want to show a faded thin line on my crease, so I will not blend off completely. Taking the Mystic Rose for the lower lash line. Time to use the Auric Beauty Black Liquid Eyeliner. It has a very fine tip which I like. It's gliding on my eyes well and allowing me to apply the thin precise line that I am going for. I am surely going to use this product a lot. Now I will apply intensive kajal in shade Serene White from Auric Beauty in my waterline. Wow, it's gliding well in that area, even though my waterline is very watery. I will quickly apply a pair of false lashes and a layer of concealer on the under eye areas. Blended it and then once again defining the crease. I am done with my eye makeup. Really satisfied with the makeup using a contour defining palette. Now I am using the shade Earthy Contour for what it's meant to do, contouring. This is a lovely shade that will be perfect for almost all skin tones. It's easy to use and very pigmented. Let's see how it blends. Wow, I love how it has sharply defined my jaws. I'm applying NYX finishing powder on the areas I want to soften. Using the Mystic Rose again as a blush. Oh, it's so pigmented, so just a light touch is enough. It's blending like a dream. Love this blush and the shade is perfect for all skin tone. Time to define the lips, so I am using High Define Lip Liner from Auric Beauty in shade Pink Passion. It's a very pretty pink that will suit every skin tone. It's working magnificently with the smooth application. Now I will fill my lips with Auric Lipstick Intensive Lip Crayon in shade Candy Cane. This is a shade that is perfect for Indian skin tones. It has a very soft texture and intense color payoff. Glides on the lips smoothly. And look how beautiful the color and the finish is. Now I am applying a light touch of powder from the kit to make my face oil free. Time to apply the highlighter. I love how it illuminates the areas I wanted to highlight. I am applying it on the inner corner of my eyes and the brow bone as well using a pointed brush. I think I am done with my makeup now. I really liked how this makeup look turned out, and I am very pleased and impressed with all products from Auric Beauty. To be honest, I did not expect such superior and high quality from this brand. Trust me, I am in love with these products, especially the contour kit, the kajals, the lip products, eyeliner and the base products. It's a great discovery and I would love to use them again and again. I highly recommend these products to all of you guys. I am very sure you will love them. We'll see you in my next video. Till then, like, share and subscribe. Press the bell icon to get the notification of my videos. Take care and bye.